Okay, guys, last day of training. So I just wanted to go over some of the points in the training, what the issues were and where we are now. आपको जैसे हिंदी में बोलना है, इंग्लिश में बोलना है, जैसे भी आप ठीक समझे. सो पहला मुझे गेस्ट अग्रेशन का बताइए. आई थिंक जब मैं पहले दिन आया था तो आपने बताया था कि गेस्ट अग्रेशन है, कुछ ग्राउलिंग लंजिंग पे है. क्या इश्यूज था? पहले इशू के बारे में मुझे बताइए.
First of all, he was extra friendly. He used to sit in between them.
गेस्ट के
In between, yeah.
जी.
And while they were having food, he used to smell their plate and try to slowly, snatch the food.
हाँ, तो वो तो फूड का है, बट जनरली जैसे आप क्या जस्ट गेस्ट आते थे तो कैसा रिएक्शन था?
He would pounce on them. If he tried to move him away, he would not leave. He would always want to be between the guests, like sit with them on the couch and all of that.
ओके.
When they would enter the house, he would jump on them. He would just rush and he would keep jumping on them and just want their attention, which has been resolved now through training. That he is much calmer around guests.
कुछ आपने बताया था जब गेस्ट आते थे शायद बालकनी में गोलू को
So
भी-
initially हमने try किया कि that we take him away.
एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम इमीडिएट.
From the guests.
Okay.
We tried to keep him in the back
जी.
balcony, but he would start howling. He was not comfortable
Okay.
in that space, of course. So we had to let him loose. So what we used to do was give him this. We have this big bone that he usually takes a really long time, like about an hour to chew. So we would give him
उसको
that.
एंगेज करने के लिए.
उसको
ओके.
engage करने के लिए, so he can keep sitting with the guests but not disturb them, and that is how we would try to tackle this. But now we've, I think with a little bit of education, have understood how
How to confine him to
Okay.
one area.
ऑलराइट. और आई थिंक एक राजेश जी को भी बाइट हुआ था जब कोई गेस्ट आए थे तब, राइट, एंड ही टर्न बैक हैंड बिट. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वेयर द सिचुएशन इज. मेरे सामने आपने दो जो लोग आए थे, एक मैम आई थी और दो मेल आए थे, उनको दे वर अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेस्ट. सो you are able to manage, but tell me where you are. What do you guys feel? How are you now with guests?
Yes, we feel confident about ourselves that we'll be able to manage.
Very good. So that's what I wanted. You should be confident. It's not the dog who has to be trained. So that's very well way of putting it. Okay, and now let's move to the more important point, the gist of the training, your major issue of the food aggression around dining table. So मेरे पास काफ़ी पॉइंट्स हैं. आई थिंक आपने बताया था कि जब पिंटू जो है वो कुछ सामान डिलीवर करता था, या आप ही बताइए क्या इश्यूज थे डाइनिंग टेबल पे?
वही डाइनिंग टेबल पे कोई भी जैसे कोई सामान डिलीवर किया या उठाना चाहा तो इसको कभी कभी पसंद नहीं आता था.
घर के लोग,
घर के लोगों को भी और पिंटू को भी, सर्वेंट को भी.
सो जैसे पिंटू कुछ डाइनिंग टेबल पे कुछ रखता था तो ये क्या करता, ग्राउल वगैरह करता था?
ग्राउल करता था या उसके पीछे पड़ता था जैसे.
ओके ओके.
लाइक
he would not
like it actually.
cross,
Allow him to cross that.
a certain
क्रॉस. और आपने बताया था,
to the table.
ओके, और आपने बताया था कोई ज्वाइन करे तो भी इसको
हाँ,
इशू था.
नया member अगर जैसे if 3 people are already sitting and eating, so he will sort of start guarding that area. So if a new member wants to join in, come sit at the table,
जी.
so वो allow नहीं करेगा. अगर पिंटू और our house help would want to come and pick up the dishes or bring something, so he would not allow them to come close.
और ये आप सारे घर के लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
राइट? ओके, ऑलराइट. सो और ये डाइनिंग टेबल के नीचे चला जाता था, वहाँ से ग्राउल करता था, ये सब था. ओके, अभी क्या सिचुएशन है? आई नो हमने इतने दिनों में आपने काफ़ी मेहनत की है. वी हैव डन सर्टेन सिनेरियोज एंड वी डिड ऑल दिस एक्सरसाइज अराउंड दैट अग्रेशन. अभी आपके हिसाब से क्या सिचुएशन है?
अभी जब इसको वहाँ से हटाते हैं
जी.
तो ये एफर्ट थोड़ा कम लग रहा है, हट जाता है.
ओके, ऑलराइट. क्या लोग सामान डिलीवर कर पाते हैं डाइनिंग टेबल पे और
much calmer now. so लोग डिलीवर कर पाते हैं, लोग लेके जा
Without
पाते
fear.
हैं, but
Very good.
there have been few instances where people are sitting and he comes, so we have to take him back.
Very good.
So he tries to growl, but if we are assertive, he sort of calms down. So we've also understood that we have to manage
Very
our
good.
energies and not give in to his
Tantrums.
tantrums. Yes.
Okay, it's mostly bluffs. Now you realize he's growling and barking to make sure that you guys retreat.
No, but that the way he's reacting has also the intensity has really decreased.
Yeah.
Like this kind of a growl, I can still
Tolerate.
Work around it. Okay.
you know, but
Get over
because
it.
initially the intensity was much higher, and
Ji.
he would also feel कि okay, what should I do now? But that is manageable. So
Great. So basically, family members are able to deliver the food, get away, walk away from the dining table with the non-veg, and you are able to manage him around dining table, right? So I think I agree with you, Viniti. Just like Seema ji also said, in this also you just need more practice.
Yes.
Okay, the more you do it, the more the messaging has to come from you, then he will relax. Okay, good. All right. बाकी जो रूफ पे बार्किंग थी अराउंड डाइनिंग टेबल, वो उसका कितना लेवल है? सपोज मान लीजिए दिन में 10 इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं, उनमें से आप लोग कितना मैनेज कर पाते हैं?
रूफ बार्किंग ऑल्सो काफ़ी डिक्रीज हो गई है, बिकॉज पहले तो इंसेसेंट बार्किंग होती रहती थी, एंड यू वुड ऑलवेज कीप रनिंग अराउंड द डाइनिंग
जी, जी.
which has really come down. There are still incidents where he does get up, but again, because we have that education and we know that we have to put him back to his place. Of course, practice रहेगा, थोड़ा patience और maintain करना पड़ेगा, that we keep persistently doing that to and fro. But yes.
बट आप मैनेज कर पा रहे हो, यू आर एबल टू रिकवर.
We're able to.
ओके, ग्रेट.
I would like to add, we
जी,
were
जी.
doing certain things wrongly, which were corrected now, or hopefully with the
Yes.
practice, I think.
So that takes a very brave person to admit that.
Yes.
You know, so you are one of the rare caregivers I've worked with who has admitted that. But
we were doing something.
yeah, so that's good.
We were not behaving
If
right.
I do your job, I will also fail. You will teach me the skill set. So main thing is we fail, that is fine. But the recovery is more important.
Yeah.
So I've seen you guys change your energy in just a few days. So it's
Yeah.
very heartening. जैसे आपने कल बताया कि सब कुछ, I was actually bit surprised जब आपने बोला कि मजल के बिना we will do the dining table exercise. So I was pretty impressed. मैंने कहा नहीं, but that's the attitude I
नहीं,
want.
नहीं, इतना वो है कि थोड़ा we could manage it.
ग्रेट. ओके, ऑल राइट. व्हाट एल्स? बाहर जो था वो एक तो लीश पुलिंग का इशू था, वो क्या सिचुएशन है अभी?
थोड़ा कम हो गया है, बट he requires more time.
मोर टाइम. ओके, सो यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस अ बिट ऑन दैट. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट, एक आपने कुछ विचित्र बात बताई थी कि पता नहीं राजेश जी को कोई वॉक से लेके आया था और ही टर्न बैक एंड बिट दैट पर्सन. वाज इट यू और पिंटू?
मैं था.
मिंट, इज दैट स्टिल गोइंग ऑन?
No, अभी नहीं.
नोबडी.
आपको दोबारा कटा?
नहीं,
नहीं.
वही जो
सो ही सेड बिफोर द ट्रेनिंग ना कि
हाँ.
एक बार जो है जब ये वॉक से, सो वन ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम्स वाज दैट हुएवर वॉक्स हिम एंड ब्रिंग्स हिम बैक, ही यूज्ड टू टर्न अराउंड एंड बाइट दैट वॉकर.
Yes, yes, yes.
So-
every day.
But that is no longer issue, right? Okay, great. All right, guys. So last question: how many days did it take to resolve all these issues?
4 days.
4 full days.
4 full days. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you guys for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Guys, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and comment, and I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye.